Artificial intelligence, or AI as we call it, is everywhere. It's changing our world in amazing ways. Think of it like a smart computer program that can learn and make decisions like humans do. AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, right now. From our phones to our cars, AI is making things smarter and easier. Remember those sci-fi movies with robots? AI is what powers those robots, but don't worry, we are still a long way from robots taking over the world. This is your guide to understanding AI, what it is, and how it's changing our lives. So, how does AI work? It's a question that fascinates many and can seem quite complex at first glance. Think of it like baking a cake. Just as you need specific ingredients to bake a delicious cake, AI requires its own set of components. You need the right ingredients and a recipe. Without these, you can't create anything meaningful. For AI, the ingredients are data, algorithms, and computing power. These are the foundational elements that make AI function. Data is like the flour, sugar, and eggs of AI. It's the raw material that AI needs to learn and grow. It's the information that AI learns from. The more data it has, the better it can perform. Algorithms are like the recipe. They tell AI how to process the data and make decisions. These are the instructions that guide AI's actions. Computing power is like the oven. It gives AI the energy to run those complex algorithms. Without sufficient computing power, AI can't function effectively. All these ingredients work together to create AI systems. It's a collaborative effort between data, algorithms, and computing power. Just like you can bake different types of cakes, there are different types of AI. Each type is designed for specific tasks and purposes. Some AI are designed for specific tasks, like playing games or recommending movies. These are specialized AI systems. Others are more complex and can learn and adapt to different situations. These are the more advanced AI systems that can handle a variety of tasks.
The partnership between AI and humans is essential. It's this collaboration that drives innovation and progress. AI helps us by taking over repetitive tasks, freeing up our time and energy for more important work, allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic activities. This synergy between human creativity and AI efficiency is powerful. This collaboration is what makes AI so powerful and beneficial in our everyday lives. It's a partnership that continues to evolve and shape our future.
AI is like that helpful friend who is always there to lend a hand, even if you don't always realize it. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is subtly making your life easier and more efficient. It's changing our daily lives in small but significant ways. Whether it's helping you navigate through traffic or reminding you of your appointments, AI is seamlessly integrated into our routines.
When you ask Siri or Alexa to set an alarm or play your favorite song, that's AI in action. These virtual assistants are designed to understand and respond to your voice commands, making everyday tasks simpler. When you shop online and get product recommendations, that's AI at work. It analyzes your preferences and browsing history to suggest items you might like, enhancing your shopping experience. AI is also powering those cool features on our phones, like facial recognition and spam filters. These technologies help keep your data secure and your inbox clutter-free. Even when you're browsing social media, AI is curating your newsfeed and showing you relevant content. It learns from your interactions to provide a more personalized experience.
Remember those self-driving cars you've heard about? Yep, that's AI too. These vehicles use complex algorithms and sensors to navigate roads and traffic, aiming to make transportation safer and more efficient. AI is not just limited to our personal lives. It's also transforming various industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation.
It's also being used to create personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments. It's making financial systems more secure and efficient.
In finance, AI is detecting fraud, managing investments, and providing personalized financial advice.
In transportation, AI is optimizing traffic flow, making roads safer with self-driving cars, and improving logistics for businesses.
These are just a few examples of how AI is making a difference in the world. AI is a rapidly evolving field with endless possibilities. From healthcare to finance, and from education to entertainment, AI is transforming every aspect of our lives.
As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more incredible applications to emerge in the future. These advancements will not only enhance our daily lives, but also revolutionize industries and create new opportunities. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, like climate change, poverty, and disease. The potential for AI to contribute to global solutions is immense.
AI could help us create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. By harnessing the power of AI, we can work towards a world where resources are used efficiently and everyone has access to the benefits of technology. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of AI are significant, and we must navigate these challenges carefully. It's important to use AI ethically and responsibly, ensuring it benefits humanity and doesn't create new problems. This requires collaboration, transparency, and a commitment to ethical standards.
As we continue to explore the potential of AI, one thing is certain. AI is here to stay, and it's going to play an increasingly important role in shaping our future. The journey ahead is filled with promise and challenges, and together we can unlock the full potential of AI.